So we just got done at our great open house over here at 212 West Roland. Tyler, how do you think it went?
I think it went great. We met a lot of awesome people today, and I can't wait to see you in the future. Hey, what was your favorite part of that house today?
I cannot ignore the elephant in the room. This pool is absolutely spectacular.
The pool is great.
Yeah.
I will say there's one thing that was bugging me.
What?
Well, there's this little pine cone that was having a little fun day floating around in it, and I gotta get that thing out.
You know what? I actually have just the thing.
Oh, really?
Oh.
I got it!
Dude, I have a skimmer.
Yeah, still got it.
Good job.
I know, right?
Yeah.
All right, well, what a great open house we had today. I'm glad to do it with Monsesca here.
A lot of fun. Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on, buddy.
No.
Come on. Give me a hug.